For this homemade applesauce, you will need 5 to 6 medium apples, ground cinnamon, and 1 medium lemon that we will squeeze the juice from. This recipe is a fantastic way to use apples that may not be in the best shape to be eaten, such as fruits that are bruised or no longer very crisp. As long as the fruit doesn't have mold on it, it is okay to either just cut out the part of the fruit that is not good, or in the example where the fruit is just a bit bruised, you can just include it in the recipe as is. And while in this recipe we are making applesauce, you can also use other fruits such as pears to make pear sauce following the same recipe, but using pears that also may be bruised to make that recipe. You can see that here we are removing a part of the apple that is a bit too bruised. And this apple is just a bit bruised, so we're just going to use it as is. I'm not cutting out this part. Then we will cut the apples into bite-sized pieces. And we will make sure to put in the compost the parts of the apple and lemon peel that we are not including in the recipe. This is important because food matter that is composted can be turned into powerful fertilizer to grow something else in the future. If the food matter was not composted and instead just thrown in the regular trash, it would end up in the landfill, where it breaks down anaerobically, a process that produces methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. So throwing organic matter into the compost not only helps put it into good use, but also prevents it from adding a gas that promotes climate warming into the atmosphere. Then we will combine the chopped apples with the cinnamon in a pot and add the lemon juice and 1/4 cup of water. We will cook this on the stove over medium-high heat until the water boils and continue cooking until the apples soften significantly. We want to keep cooking and moving it around until the apples are soft enough that you can use a potato masher to mash the apples to create the applesauce. If you have a blender or a food processor at home, it can be a hand blender, as you can see that I am using here in this video. You can also use it to better mash the applesauce. Once that is done, you can store it in a container for later use. I'm reusing an old peanut butter jar. And in our next video, we're going to learn how to prepare a zero-waste banana bread using this applesauce. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed.